said, I'm Teacher Kat. Obviously, we're here with the lovely Yolanda that you guys know already, and she'll be manning the chats and everything else for us. Okay. So as it says up, we're going to be playing Christmas bingo. This is not meant to be stressful. It's just to have fun. We'll have a bunch of questions from all types of topics in grade 9. Obviously, if you're hoping to take maths next year, then this will be very helpful for you to know whether you're doing pretty well, whether you'll cope next year and stuff. So let's see. First of all, let's talk about bingo. Who has played bingo before? Or who knows how to play bingo? I'm pretty sure you guys know how to play bingo, right? Hands up or in the chat. Anyone?
We can do this, my pibs. Let's try it. Sorry, my network is really bad, so I'm like in and out.
Come on, guys. No one else knows how to play bingo. No one's grandmother plays bingo. I know grandmothers love bingo. Not to say anything about us. Just saying. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. If you don't know how to play bingo, that's okay. So what happens is we're going to have a 5x5 board like what you see right now on the screen. Okay. So behind every block is a question from different topics in grade 9. Okay. So the one in the middle is a free block. Okay, sometimes, but we'll see. So the block, the bingo board is going to reveal questions randomly. So for instance, the one on the top, second one at the top will turn around and up will pop a question. Okay, I'm going to give you guys exactly 3 minutes to do it. Some of these questions are super easy and you'll be able to do 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And some of them are a little bit challenging, but everyone get 3 minutes to do it. And then we're going to check if anyone has the answer. So what I'm saying is we're playing as a class. Okay, no one's competing against anyone. We're all playing together. So if you get that question correct as a team, I will mark it on my 5x5 board here to keep track of which ones we get correct. So the point of this is to get 5 of them either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally correct. Okay, once you guys do that, we have won our bingo round, and whoop whoop, you're obviously ready for grade 10. Okay, thumbs up. Does everyone understand how this is going to work? I hope you all have your pens and papers and everything there on your side. You're going to need them. You're going to need them. I hope everyone understands. If anyone doesn't understand, put your hand up, or you can unmute. Hi to everyone who joined later. We already said our highs. Welcome. It's nice to have you. Okay, so are we ready? I hope so.
We are clearly ready, my pibs. We have to show with the hands, thumbs up.
Thumbs down. Are we ready?
Teacher Kat, maybe we might have some new students.
Maybe. Maybe. Do we have any new students? I see Keho says thumbs up. Keho's ready to go. Do we have any new students? Let's start there. Maybe someone's joining us for the first time and I'm very confused. Any new students? Don't be shy. We just want to say hello and welcome. Nope.
You can clearly put it on the chat if you're new and just say I'm new.
Okay, let's see what the first question is. Okay, Yolanda, we have our timers up, all right? I have my watch here. We're going to be timing everyone. Remember, you only get 3 minutes to do every question. I feel like 3 minutes is too long because you guys are too smart. I'm going to change it to 2 minutes, but we'll see. We'll see. For now, we have 3 minutes. Let's check our first question. Teacher Yolanda, which one do you think will turn first? I'm going to bet on the snowman.
I think the presents will go first.
Okay, let's see. Ha! We're both wrong. Terrible. Okay, 3 minutes starts Now, guys, what is the product of 5 quad or 5 to the exponent 4 and 5 to the exponent of -2? You guys have 3 minutes. I have started the timer already. Go for it. If you think you know the answer before 3 minutes is up, just raise your hand and we will unmute and hear what you got. Okay. Okay, let's go. Dum, dum, dum.
Let's go, my people. Remember, if you do get it first, you can either talk to us and say the answer is this, or you can clearly type it on the chat and write your answer. Let's see. Let's go, my pibs. I believe in you, my team.
Hope everyone's doing
Go,
well.
Onwaba. I see you.
Onwaba's concentrating. I wonder what he's typing. It looks like he's typing something. Anyone know at least where to start? Okay, no, I'm disturbing you, Nick. That's cheating. Let me keep quiet. Let me stop it. Let me not. Okay, we have just about 1 minute left. Is there anyone who has the answer yet? Come on, guys. Anyone who has the answer?
Bridget, I'm gonna pick on you. Bridget, what did you write on your side? Do you wanna tell us? What did you find? Ero, also I see you. What did you find? Onwaba, do you wanna tell us?
Ready.
My pips, anything. I believe in y'all. Anything. How did you approach this question?
Your clue is laws of exponents, obviously, right? And okay, our time is up. I'm gonna assume this was challenging for us. I hope that's what it is, and I hope you guys are actually participating. But guys, okay, tell me what product is. What does product mean? If we say the product of 5 quad and 5 to the exponent of -2, what does product mean? Anyone? Bobby has finally connected to sound. Nice of you to join us. What does product mean? Multiply. Thank you very much. And if we are multiplying according to the laws of exponents, what do we do to the exponents? If you're multiplying 2 numbers with the same base, you do what to the exponent? We add them. See, you guys know how to do this. Thanks, Geho. We add them. So if we say the product of 5 quad and 5 exponents of -2, if you add your exponents, then you'll be left with 4 plus -2, but we can't have that plus negative, right? So that plus negative becomes a, what do a positive and negative give you? Positive and negative give you a negative. So we have 5 to the exponent of 4 minus 2, which is 5 squared. And how much is 5 squared? I'm sure we all know this. 5 squared. Anyone? 25. Okay, I'm going to give you guys this one just because you guys actually sort of answered. I hope we're feeling a bit more confident now and we will be answering properly from now on. But yes, see, they're not that bad. They're not that bad. The product of 5 quad and 5 exponent of negative 2 is 25. Okay, let's move on. This time I'm betting on the Christmas tree. Let's see if the Christmas tree is up next. Nope, I suck at this. Oh, this is an easy one, I think. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 3 minutes. I promised you guys 3 minutes to do all of them. You have 3 minutes to do this one. If you have done it and you think you know the answer, pop it in the chat, raise your hand, unmute, speak to us. Come on, guys. There's so few of us. We interacting, you know. We really would like to hear your voices. You're right.
Yeah, that would be so cool, my pibs. Marula, welcome. Let's do this.
Okay, I have hope that someone's gonna give us the answer before our time is up. We are 1 minute in, guys.
I'm just letting you know that my pips actually do know even how to explain how did they get to their answer. They are amazing. Exactly.
Good.
They will do step by step. They're very good teachers also.
Ha! We have our answers in the chat, and I'm guessing we all agree because I have 1, 2, 3 of the same. Okay, but there's how many of us? 6 of you in here. So the other 3, come on, support your teammates. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. This was an easy one, right, guys? This was a kind one. I liked it. For you guys, I really liked it. Okay, so do we have a consensus? 78 it is. So how did you guys get to 78? Did you say 6 times 8? And then you add 6, and then you multiply by 5. What's the important rule that we followed here? Anyone going to give us the important rule that we followed? Golden rule in mathematics, as we say. BODMAS, thank you, Kifo. BODMAS, right? So you say 6 times 8, which is 48. And then you say plus, you work out 6 times 5 on its own, which is 30. Then you're left with 48 plus 30, and that's where we get our 78. Okay, that went pretty well, right? That was awesome. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. This time I'm gonna challenge one of you guys to unmute and tell me how you got there. This doesn't mean be shy. It doesn't mean be shy, okay? But I'm hoping that one of you will unmute this time and tell me how you got to your answer. Okay, guys, come on, I'm getting to know you guys. I don't know you very well. This is a nice way to get to know each other. There's very few of us in this class, right? Okay, so this time, Teacher Yolanda, let's hear your choice of what's next this time. What do you think is next? The wreath, maybe.
Definitely, I still go with the. Wow. No, I still go with my presents.
You're cheating. You're increasing your chances by saying presents. I see you. Mathematician, I see you. But it's fine. It's fine, guys. She's cheating. She's definitely. Ha! We're still both wrong. Okay, guys, we have a factorized question. And we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and you may start. 3 minutes is what I'm giving you. And then whoever gets the answer, pop it in the chat. If you don't feel comfortable to unmute and tell us how you got to your answer, then we'll do it together, okay? You guys are gonna help them.
Mudau is here. Welcome, Mudau. No probs, no probs. Hey, my
Hi,
pips, We can do it, guys. Y'all need to factorize and recall all the learning that we have done in this class.
It's a lot of rules, right? Yeah, that's one of the sections, a lot of rules.
Let's go, my pips. I believe in y'all.
We are just over a minute in. Still have a lot of time. Come on, guys. We have a possible answer in the chat. Everyone, let me know what you think or pop in your suggestions. I think this time I'm going to let the whole 3 minutes go to give everyone a chance, and then we'll discuss all our options. So if you have another option or you agree, please say I agree, or put your option in the chat and we will discuss it after 3 minutes. Okay.
My pips, as a reminder, you're allowed to actually tell teacher Kat how you find out your answer, okay? Just as a reminder, and remember you can unmute yourself because we are a small class. So you can raise your hand and unmute yourself and then talk to teacher Kat and tell teacher Kat how did you arrive to your answer. My pips.
Come on, guys. We have 45 seconds to go. Everyone else, come on, popping your answer in the chat. Say if you agree or disagree. Come on. Ooh, do you see what's happening, teacher Linda? We have two different options now. Okay.
We will see.
We will see. Time is almost up. Hi, Nolo Nwabo. Welcome. We're playing bingo, as you can see, Christmas bingo. Okay, time is up. Okay, before I accept an answer, let's discuss this. Okay, let's have a small discussion. We want to make sure we get the right answer, right? So let's have a small discussion. So we're factorizing x squared minus 7x plus 12. So we're gonna we need to find the factors of 12 that are going to equal -7. Okay, we have 2 each for all the options. So the factors of 12 are, please list the factors of 12 for me in the chat. Any pair or all of them. What are the factors of 12? Okay, 4 and 3, thank you. Are those the only factors of 12 that we have? Promise you these are not trick questions, guys. Any other pair, factors of 12? There we go. Thank you, Daria. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 6 and 12. So we want -7 from those factors, right? We are definitely not going to get -7 from 12 and 1. Neither are we going to get it from 6 and 2, right? So we know we're playing around with 4 and 3. But now we have a problem with the operations. Is it x minus 4, x minus 3, or is it x plus 4, x minus 3? Remember, whichever options we choose has to give us -7. So is +4 minus 3 going to give us -7? What's 4 minus 3? How much is that? Okay, Daria agrees with the -4 one. How much is 4 minus 3? It's 1, right? That's not what we're looking for. Right. So what we're looking for is -7. How much is -4 minus 3? See how important that little operation is. +4 minus 3 is just 1. But how much is -4 minus 3? If you need to use your number line, go there. There we go, Daria. Thank you. -7, which is what we're looking for, right? So officially, let's have a vote. Our final brackets. I know Daria has voted for x minus 4, x minus 3. Which final brackets are we taking, guys? Which ones are we going with? Bridget also shows the x minus 4. Onwaba agrees with Bridget. Okay, so I think we've chosen, right? We've chosen that our brackets are x minus 4, x minus 3. Well done, guys. Awesome. Okay, we're ready to go on to our next. Right, I like it. I still want someone to unmute though. You guys are not unmuted, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We'll get there. Okay, are we ready for our next one? Okay, let's see who's next. Our reindeer, and we have fractions. I know fractions are not everyone's best friend, and I'm talking too much. You are looking at the question. You guys may start. 3 minutes, go.
We can do this, Pape. We can do it. Remember, it's all fun. So you just try to do your best. That's all that you can do. And that's all we expect from you. And remember that you can make it fun by communicating with us, by talking to us, unmuting yourself and telling teacher Kat, how did you arrive to the answer? How would you answer that question? So make it fun for yourself. Okay, my pibs? No,
Hey, we have a hand.
Unmute and talk to us.
Hello.
Okay, let's hear. Hi.
I hope you're doing well.
Yes. Oh.
Okay. So I'm not sure how to do it exactly, but then what I did, is I said 48 divided by 6, which got me 8/8, and 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so you said 48 divided by 6.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you get 48 divided by 6? Remember the question says 6 over 48, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's okay, no Lubabo, as long as you
It's
see your
equal.
mistake.
You're very close though. I like where you're going.
Okay.
Let's hear, what does Daria say?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello.
So first I tipped in times. The
Very
6 over
good.
48. And
First or the second one?
I got 6. The second one.
Okay.
And then from there,
And then?
I got 48 over 6. And then I canceled the 48 and the 4.
And the 6, yes.
Oh wait, I did something wrong. Yeah.
You're very close
then
though. Okay.
Yeah, I did something.
I think you gave everyone such an important tip, bro. Daria's first step gave everyone a tip. Okay.
Yeah, that's done. And thank you for talking to us. I'm very proud of you. You can actually.
Too. I like hearing your voices, guys.
Yeah.
We have a few seconds left. Start with Daria's very brilliant tip, and we'll see where everyone gets us. Okay, she said we tip and times, and I agree with her, quite frankly. So what happens after you tip and times? Okay, that is time. Okay, Daria said it so nicely. So we tip and times, which means our divide becomes multiply, and then 48 becomes the numerator, and 6 becomes the denominator of the second fraction. That is important, right? So then you'll have 6 over 48 times 48 over 6. And thank you very much, Saria. She says we cross cancel. So 6 will cancel with 6. 6 goes into itself once, right? And 48 will cancel with 48. So then you're left with 1 times 1, which is 1, as Bridget said. So Bridget, you just swap them around, right? But can we discuss why Bridget's answer is still correct? Any number divided by itself is always, how much is it? If I said to you, what's 2 divided by 2? 50 divided by 50. How much do I always get? 1, right? And we essentially have the same number here. We have 6 over 48 divided by 6 over 48. So we have the same number divided by itself, which is why, Bridget, that's how you got your 1. Okay, despite maybe swapping the numbers around, but I understood where you were going with it. Awesome. Kecho, I hope you're fine. I hope you get now why the answer is 1. And we are moving on. How's everyone feeling so far? They're not bad, right? These questions are not bad. I think they're really nice. Okay. We're moving on.
Oh, I'm
Okay,
sure
this
now
is a true or false.
not our presence. Oh, a bad luck.
Yes, there's more people. And Yolanda told me that you guys are awesome, so I believe her. Now you guys need to show me that you guys are awesome. And you may start. This is a true or false.
Let's go, my babe. Make it fun by unmuting yourself and saying and stating the reason. Okay, let's go. I know y'all are awesome. Can do this.
Okay, we have a true. Let's wait for everyone else. Thank you, Daria. Does everyone else agree? Does everyone else disagree? And if you say true or false, please be ready to tell us why or why not. Okay, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about learning from your mistakes and going away from this much more confident for the following year. Okay. Okay, we have about 1 minute left. What does everyone else think? Is this true? Is it false? Okay, Daria has given us an explanation there. I like it. I need to hear what everyone else thinks. Daria is giving us such important clues today. Square root of 16 is 4. So 4. Is 4 an irrational number or is 4 a rational number? Okay, Nolonwabo back in the building. Let's hear what do you have to say, girl.
Again, I'm not quite sure, but I don't think that see 4 is an irrational number.
So you think that it is rational, so you would say false. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes. You don't sound sure at all. But
I'm
okay,
not.
so we have 1 true, we have 1 false. Fine, we'll discuss it just now and you'll know exactly why you are right or wrong. Okay. Okay, anyone else? Any takers? We have 15 seconds left. No one else wants to tell me what they got. Do they agree? Do you disagree? Are we going with true or false? We have 1 vote each so far. 1 vote each. So where does everyone else stand? Okay, Kecho has voted. Pila has voted. Thank you, guys. Okay, our time is up. Everyone else votes. Is there anyone else still voting? Who have I not heard from? Bonga. Hi, Bonga. Do you think it's true or false? What do you think? Whoa, Daria changed her mind. Oh, it's false. Okay, so we all say it's false, right? Irrational number include 2, 3, 5, 11, 21. Okay, Bonga says it's false as well. So the consensus is it's false, right? But the question is, do we know why it is false? Is there anyone who wants to raise their hand and tell us what an irrational number is? I think that was the trick to answering this one. What's an irrational number? Anyone? You can type it in the chat if you don't want to speak to us, but anyone have an idea what an irrational number is? Anyone want to give us examples? Nolonwab already gave us what she thinks. Numbers that recur, says Daria, is an irrational number, okay? Anyone have a different sort of definition? That's correct, Daria. Wait, that's numbers that recur. No, numbers that do not recur. It is undefined. That is so interesting. Pila says an irrational number is an undefined number. Non-terminating, says Kiho. I like these answers. Okay, let's discuss what an irrational number is, right? An irrational number is a number that cannot be written in the form A over B, which means it is non-terminating, as Kiho said, right? So if you have a decimal number with, let's say it's 4,37249,572. Does anyone know what the next number is? We don't, right? It could be anything, right? That would be an irrational number. We cannot write it as a fraction. Okay, so 4, I mean, you guys could ask, so how on earth do we write 4 as a fraction? Remember, 4 can be written as 4 over 1. So generally, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, those are all part of the rational numbers category. So this would be false. Okay. Pila, let's talk about undefined. Okay, undefined is a specific, very specific category where you divide by 0. Okay, there is no definition, which means 2, 3, 5, 11, 21. That would be, what kind of numbers are those? Anyone knows what kind of numbers do we call those? It's not called irrational. It's not quite irrational. What do we call them?
Let's go, my babes. We can do this.
They're a very important set of numbers. Prime numbers. Thank you very much, Pila. They are prime numbers. Okay. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Those are prime numbers. Those are numbers that have only 2 factors, which are 1 and itself. Okay. So we have to, I think we all have to go back and revise our number system a little bit, right? Prime numbers, composite numbers, undefined, rational, irrational, natural, whole numbers, the whole shebang. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. So we have established that is false, and well done, you guys. I am keeping track. Don't worry, I've been keeping track here. Answers you're getting correct. Okay, let's go. Reindeer. If 6t minus x is 52, then x is equal to, and you may start. You have 3 minutes. Give me your answer. If you think you've reached the answer before, pop it in the chat. We'll discuss it. See where everyone stands. Okay. Let's go, guys. You're doing so well so far. I like it.
Let's go, my babes. Woo! I'm cheering for you. Y'all can do this.
Remember, if you have a tip or clue for everyone, just pop it in the chat. Because you guys are a team, right? Just pop it in the chat. Be like, yo, guys, this is the first step, or this is how we're going to go about this. And let's see how that goes. We have 2 minutes to go. Eight? Daria's like 8? Question mark? Maybe, I think Hyde's face is being shy. Okay, Daria. You need to be more confident. You need to say 8. Ooh, no, but that's interesting. No, gave me 2 options. We'll discuss that just now. Pila says the answer is 8. Thank you, very confident. This is what's happening. Our answer is 8. Looks like we're having some sort of consensus here. How's everyone else feeling about it? We have a few seconds left. What does everyone else think? Come on, guys. 8. It looks easy. Of course, Honora. Looks easy. Bridget says -8. Okay, so we have a mixture between 8 and -8 because I have someone else who's given me -8 so far in my DMs. Funzo says 8, maybe. I think it could be 8. Okay, that would be time. Okay, let's discuss this. People who said -8. Nolo Noabo, Bridget, does anyone want to tell us how you got to -8? Okay, there we go. Yes, Nolo Noabo, let's hear.
So what I said is that I said 60 minus 8 is equal to 52, right? And then I moved my 60 after the bracket. Is that correct? And then I said
the
60.
Equal sign, yes.
Yeah. And then I said 52 minus 60 is equal to -8. So then that leaves
Okay, but what do you still have on the left-hand side? After you moved 60, what was still on the left-hand side?
We had 52 minus 60.
On the left.
We had an X.
We have -X.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Can you see?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
after you do that, so now you have -X equals -8, but we don't want -X, right? We want X.
Yes.
So we divide both sides by -1. So our final answer is?
X is equal to -8.
Remember, we're dividing both by -1, right? So how much is it?
Ma'am?
How much is it? Bridget has changed the money. Okay, so it's 8. Do you understand why?
Yes.
There we go. As long as you understand, then I'm happy. Cool. So we're going with 8, guys. As Nolo Nwabo said, first step, you move your 60 to the other side. We're getting our X on its own. After the 60 goes over the equal sign, we're left with -X is equal to -8. But we don't want -X, right? We want positive X. So in order to get our positive X, we divide both sides by -1, -1, then we're left with X equals 8. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Let's move on. You guys are on fire. I love it. Ooh, I love that. Okay, our 3 minutes has started. Go. Let's see. Doing so well, guys.
Y'all are nailing these games. You're nailing it, my people.
Oh, Daria, that's like record time. Already has an answer. Even Bridget, oh my gosh, Laura Nobo as well. You guys are like, wow. You guys either are really into integers or we are using our calculators. I hope it's not the other one. Funzo, let's hear what you have to say. Oh, where did Funzo go? Oh, okay. I thought Funzo wanted to speak
Doing well.
to me.
Very well.
You like integers, Dara. That's a great chapter to like because a lot of people struggle with integers. So if you like it, then okay, Funzo, that's fine. Daria likes integers. Does that mean you're going to unmute and tell us how to do this? There are a couple of seconds left still. Okay, Daria is ready to answer our question. Let's hear, Daria. How did you get to the answer?
So now -3 times -4 is -12. So then -5 minus -12 equals to -17 because the a negative and a negative equals, wait, hold on. Yeah, a negative plus a positive equals a negative. So that's how I got the answer.
But you said something very important. I think it's just a small mistake. You said -3 multiplied by -4 is how much? How much did you get?
Negative
Guys, how much
12.
did you get? -12. Okay, does everyone agree? -3 multiplied by -4. How much did we all get? In the chat?
Oh, it's not -12. Is it
Yeah,
not
mistake.
+12?
There we go. Because when you multiply two negatives, you get a positive. Right, so Daria has seen her mistake, seen the light. So we have -5 minus 12, and that's how we get to -17. I hope you guys liked that one as much as I liked it. Bridget, you're right. BODMAS, we start with the brackets. That's what Daria said. We start with our brackets, start with multiplying our brackets. And then, there we go. You guys are enjoying this as much as I am. I hope so. I really hope so. Hope more of you will be unmuting from now on. Okay, let's see. Maybe the next one will be very easy. Let's see. Ooh, I like that one. I love that one. Okay, I'm talking too much. 3 minutes has started.
Let's go, my pips. Let's go. Y'all can do it.
I really like these ones. These squared ones. Do we have any takers so far? Everyone's very quiet in this round, thinking hard. Few seconds left. Anyone have an idea?
Let's go, my peeps. Can you hear me, Teacher Cat?
Yes, we can. It's awesome. You're being awesome there for
Okay.
us.
No, it's because I go out non-stop because it cuts me because of the network problem.
Okay. Yeah, no, we can hear you. Okay, guys, time is up.
Perfect.
Do we have any takers? Anyone have an idea? Anyone have an answer? Can the answer be in third form or not? Well, it is in third form now, and we're trying to get it to be not in third form, right? So we want some sort of decimal and variable answer. Okay. We usually leave our answers in third form if you cannot work out the square root or cube root, whatever root of something, and we will leave it in third form. Third form means with the little square root symbol, the little kapiki. But in this case, we can't find an answer, right? Does anyone have an idea where to start? What does square root mean? Square root means which number do you multiply by itself to get the number under the square root, right? So what do you multiply with what to get 0,9? Obviously, it has to be the same number. So what is the number that we multiply with itself to get 0,9? 0,3. There we go, Daria. So we have the first part of our answer is 0,3. Okay. Hope we all understand how we got that. Square root of 0,09 means what number do you multiply by itself? So if you say 0,3 squared, which is the inverse operation of square root, so 0,3 times 0,3, you will get 0,09. Okay, is that all of our answer? Our question had something else under it, right? We had 0,09 c squared. So what's our final answer? What do you multiply with itself to get c squared? Anyone know? Anyone want to try? Come on, guys. I know someone's thinking of the right answer, but just doesn't want to say something. I know it. There's someone who's thinking of the right answer here. What's the square root of c squared? It is? It's c, right? Remember, square root means what do you multiply? Exactly. Thank you, Pila. What do you multiply with itself to get the answer? So c times c. There we go. You guys are doing well. So c times c is the only way to get c squared. So now final answer is, put them together. If we put them together, what's our final answer? Put out 0,3 and our c together. So your final answer is 0,3 c. Okay, I hope you guys all understand. I'm guessing you meant c, Funzo. Yes, there we go. So our final answer is 0,3 c. As Funzo has put it so nicely for us in the chat. Thank you, guys. Okay, we're moving on. Simplify. Ooh, we have algebra, algebraic fractions actually. And I'm gonna start the time. There we go. 3 minutes has started. Go for it. Okay, we have an option. Nolonwabo says P minus 3. And I will wait for other people to comment and see what they say. That was nice and quick. No, I like it. Oh my goodness, we have a thunderstorm this side. So if you hear heavy rains, just know that it's going down this side. We have just under a minute left. Does anyone else have suggestions? First step, final answer, clue for everyone else? Nope. Few seconds left. Okay, that is time. Anyone want to try this one for us? Nolo Nwabo, are you feeling confident? There we go. Thank you, Funzo. First step, I think we do dots, which is difference of two squares. Does everyone see that we have a difference of two squares there in our numerator? So we have p squared minus 9. So our two brackets, what are our two brackets for the difference of two squares? Give me our two brackets.
Yeah, amazing.
Right, I actually love this class. I love it. What are two brackets, guys? So two brackets are close. Sorry, check again. It's p minus 3 and p plus 3. Thank you. There we go, Pila. So two brackets are p minus 3 and p plus 3. But we have a p plus 3 in our denominator. So what do we do with p plus 3 in the numerator and p plus 3 in the denominator? What happens to them? They divide into one another, right? They cancel each other out. There we go. So our final answer, as Nolonwabo so nicely said for me, is p minus 3. Yes, guys, you guys are doing well. Okay, I think we have time for one more. Remember, guys, whatever we don't finish in our next class, we'll be finishing it off in order to get our bingo. I think we have time for one more. Let's see. Okay, solve for x. If x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minutes have started. Let's see what you guys come up with. Okay, I see a suggestion. Does everyone agree? Funzo says, I think we first use FOIL, maybe. What does everyone else think? We have a minute to go. What does everyone else think? Okay, Nolonwabo agrees. Okay. Still have a minute to go. Probably a couple of seconds now. Does everyone agree with foiling? Foiling means multiplying out, right? So you say x times x 4 times x, negative 3 times x, and negative 3 times 4. Does everyone else agree? That is time. Okay, let's discuss this, guys. We are solving for x, right? So if you multiply it out, you'll be left with a trinomial. How do you solve for x if you have a trinomial? You'll have x squared plus x minus 12. That's what you'll be left with. So if you have a trinomial, how would you solve for x then? You're going to have to factorize again. So we don't multiply it out, right? They left out the first step for us, which was the actual trinomial, and we have multiplied. So let's discuss these two brackets. It says x plus minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 is equal to 0. This statement means this bracket times that bracket is 0. So do you agree that one of these brackets have to be 0? Isn't that the only way we'll get an answer of 0? Do we all agree? So either x minus 3 has to be 0 or x plus 4 has to be 0 in order for the statement to be true. Are we all with me? I hope so. We've gone quiet. So what you do is you split it up and you write x minus 3. They're really quiet, but okay, we'll be done just now, guys. So either x minus 3 is 0 or x plus 4 is 0. Okay, Funzo says, I do not understand. Okay, let's look at the statement. This is an equation, right, Funzo? The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. That's what they're saying here. So what do you have to multiply with a number to get a 0? You have to multiply with 0, right? That's the only way you get 0 when you are multiplying. Like if you say 50 times 0 or 1,000,000 times 0, the answer is 0. So either your bracket x minus 3 equals 0 or the bracket x plus 4 is equal to 0. And then you just solve for x, and Bridget and Daria say x is equal to positive 3 or is equal to negative 4, which is correct, guys. Well done. It was a little bit more challenging. Funzo, how do you feel about it? Don't leave if you're still a little bit unsure. I'll explain to you again. In the meantime, that is it for today. Next time we are finishing this board off. Do you feel better about it? Okay. Funzo says fine. So, Yolanda, where do you predict we'll get our bingo? I think this row where it says factorize, that's where we're going to get our bingo. What do you think? I really think it's this one.
The tree.
The tree. Where's the tree?
Now.
So you think where the tree is? Here, we're going to get our bingo. We'll see next time, guys. We'll see. In the meantime, our lesson is over. Thank you so much for joining us. If you still have one question or two about any of these that we unraveled, you may stay behind. But everyone else, you may go. Thank you, guys. You're all welcome. Thanks for coming through. Nolan Rabo says bye. I don't know. I don't think she's aware that she's DMing me. And Bridget. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for joining us.
Bye-bye, guys.